see the marching, a sight to behold. And come see the marchers, so daring and bold. Run past the pillar, out onto the quays, and go tell your old one you're coming with me. Down by the river we'll play, free for today. My cousin Francis, the pride of our clan, got locked out with Larkin, gave Big Jim a hand. Look at him marching, he's forth from the right. He won't be found wanting if it comes to a fight. Down by the river we'll stay, free for today. Marching with hurl in my hand, I've learnt about fighting and the lay of the land. I hope I am ready for what is to come, but my country needs soldiers, and now